Do you know many people are having trouble with storing their air conditioner for winter? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Drain water. Start by draining all leftover water from the unit. Remove the lower drain plug and collect the water in a shallow pan, then seal the plug securely. Step 2. Dry the unit. Run the air conditioner in fan-only mode for 30 minutes to eliminate remaining moisture within the unit. Step 3. Clean filter. Turn off, unplug the air conditioner, remove the air filter, wash thoroughly, and let it dry before putting it back. Step 4. Store parts. Disassemble the window kit by removing the bracket, adapter, and hose. Store these parts with the remote control. Step 5. Protect and store. Cover the air conditioner with a cloth or plastic to protect it from dust. Coil the power cord and store the unit in a dry place away from sunlight. Now you've learned how to prepare and store your Honeywell air conditioner for the winter season. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Honeywell users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.